Hello everybody, so after about 7 months of not making any videos, finally got around to making some for you again. And yeah, right now we are here in Martinique in the Caribbean. And in this video I'm going to try to, or in the next two videos I'm going to try to catch you up a little bit on how we got here and what happened in the last 7 months. Where we left off last time. We're moving out of the apartment and moving on to Marionette. Unluckily, still in the boatyard.
So we just woke up, the three of us, watching a little bit TV because it's the last day before we go back to the boat and there's no TV there.
Mama.
Sí, lo vamos.
As you can see, it's all really exciting, and it's a mission to move like the tons of stuff we brought back from Europe and from Ituska. Gehen wir mit dem Auto? Fahren wir mit dem Auto? Zum Boot? We were lucky, we had like friends who had rented the car, who helped us out. It was still not easy carrying up all the stuff onto the deck, which is 4 meters over the ground when Marionette's out on the heart.
My African lady. We almost there. We got everything off the apartment and it's up on the boat. Now we just have to organize again.
We were really lucky today. A lot of stuff turned out really good. We went to eat just now. We went out because the kitchen's still missing and we kind of think we deserved it today. Now we're trying to put the kids to sleep on the boat for the first time. How's it going with Kai's nap time?
Like this. Hace tutto Kai.
Kai, du warst so müde vorher. Komm, schlaf.
Te amo.
Amo.
Te amo, mami.
Vamos, mami.
Yo sí te amo, mi amor.
Mami, ama. Sí, mami, ama.
And for Kai, everything is new here, and we've been moving onto the boat today, and we haven't had a second of peace except when he was playing on the beach. As soon as we're on the boat, everything is new, everything's exciting, everything is new. Kai, setz dich bitte hin jetzt. Ja, ich gebe dir dein Essen jetzt. Setz dich hin, es gibt Essen jetzt und danach gehen wir schlafen, okay? The juice there.
No hay jugo, Kai, no hay jugo, es leche.
Tell mommy, I'm not stupid, mommy.
It's the first evening on the boat and I have to make the bed and organize a little bit so we can sleep in here. Oh, but it feels so nice to be on the boat even though we have so much stuff to organize.
You can see moving onto the boat with the family wasn't one of the easiest things at first.
¿Durmió bien en el barco? ¿Sí? ¿Qué quieres abrir?
Ya.
¿No pasaste frío?
No, ate, mami.
No, arriba no. Escuche. No solito. So, we spent our first night on the boat. It wasn't the dreamy first night that you wish for. I had like this little blanket, but it was so cold in the night. I was like freezing and there were mosquitoes.
We finally got the stove and put in the kitchen. This was great.
Ooh la la!
So shiny.
It's so shiny! Huh? So shiny! Having lunch on the floor. Alice has her real first meal, really. Mash.
Sometimes it felt a little bit like we were losing our mind over things.
How are you feeling? How are you feeling, my dear? How's life on the boat?
It's good.
Why do you have guys' pads on your head? And why do you look so happy? Are you this happy for real?
For every little thing you have to leave the boat. You don't have running water on the boat. You have to run down for everything. You have to run down this 4-meter ladder if you want to do the dishes, if you want to go to the toilet, if you want to shower, if you want to wash your hands. It's a constant up and down, like cut you off, going to the toilet, brushing your teeth and doing the dishes all in the same time to minimize the up and downs on the ladder.
So nice living in the yard.
And then in between the times, obviously there was lots of work, cutting holes, sanding, fairing, painting, cutting pieces apart. We were building like the frame for the solar panels, we were closing holes. It was one thing after the other. About that time, Alice couldn't walk yet, but Alice was like trying to pull herself up everywhere and kicking and doing and trying to get strong enough to start walking. A typical day on the boat, in the boatyard, still dark, kids up way too early as usual. I'm the morning person, so I'm the one who usually does the morning shift with the kids while Kathy's working on the boat or getting stuff done for the boat. Ja, setz dich immer Pippi danach. So Pia?
Hier.
Ja, komm her, Manche.
Ja, Mamos.
Nein, wir müssen zuerst frühstücken jetzt.
Na, die Mamos.
Ja, Alice sitzt auf deinem Töpfchen. Du brauchst das im Moment nicht.
Na.
Du musst teilen. Alice's Töpfchen ist unterm Boot im Moment. Ich habe keine Lust jetzt runter zu laufen dafür. Alice, schön sitzen bleiben, Kacke machen. Komm, ab. Und die Arme rein.
Papi.
Du willst Aufnahmen, okay? Okay, warte. Langsam.
Ja.
Was möchtest du?
Ja.
Du möchtest rausgehen? Now comes the nice every morning ritual to get the kids down the boat. Always an adventure. So it's like breakfast, potty, brushing the teeth, getting ready, getting dressed, diaper change. And the other shoe. Then get the shoes on, up. Get everything down that horrible ladder. First walk of the day. I also have to go to the bathroom. Obviously I have to carry both kids with me. It's always fun. Parents go to the toilet. And then we go visit some friends. Luca, Lena and Pia.
Fahr weiter, okay.
They become really good friends in the time we spent over there. Ja, okay. Du hast schon gefrühstückt, du hast zu Hause gefrühstückt. Wir haben gerade gut gefrühstückt, hein? Das reicht. Kai qui se comporte un peu mieux, c'est Alizé qui commence à faire le bordel dans votre bateau. The kids love playing there. I love the company of being with some other people, like while watching the kids. We spent like really good times together. Wartet eine Sekunde, ihr zwei, okay? Könnt ihr zweimal aufhören? Entschuldigung. Da nicht. Hey, jetzt sag, komm.
Qu'est-ce que j'ai dit là?
Hop, setzen.
Au bord de l'eau, c'est pas l'endroit pour sauter partout.
Festhalten, ne? Yeah, those two were really nice together. We lived lots of different adventures together, but one of the favorites would always be the beach and swimming. Although the water over there was a lot colder than here.
Yes, guys. ¡Un cangrejo! ¿Queréis al agua, cangrejo? Sí, estoy acá, te estoy viendo, Kai.
Okay. Up and then up. Und die Hand noch.
Hay que ir a buscar el
Oye.
otro. Mira. Vaya, vaya.
Ja, komm.
Ahí solito.
Ist du nicht so? Ja, komm. Die Haare, die Haare. So as always, if you liked it, please click subscribe down below, like, watch the next video, give us a comment. It's all very much appreciated. As well, in the next video we're gonna try to get back to date till today, and we're gonna show you the Atlantic crossing, the first crossing, and lots of crazy adventures. See you then, bye!